I'd like to tell you about the position here at Solar Brokers of New England. My name is Brad Stoller. Some of you may know me as Solar Coach Brad. After a dozen plus years of solar and over a decade running my own solar sales and installation company, I'm hiring again now my own solar sales organization. And here's the thing, I know what you solar consultants want and need. So let me hit some points. First, you'll get paid on time. High quality, triple verified appointments, the best solar training in the industry, transparency and great communication through project management so you can avoid cancellations, quick and reliable installation timelines, an easy to use solar proposal tool, high quality solar products, both panels and inverters, a suite of cash, finance, and lease options, including a no credit check lease option. Yes, you did hear that correctly. And just a bunch of other things to make it easier for you to sell solar, like our price match guarantee and our great referrals program. Oh, did I mention you get paid on time? On top of that, you get to work with me. And I'm gonna make sure you have everything you need for success. So whether you are brand new to solar or solar pro, we are actually hiring on all levels. First though, let me tell you what we're not. We are not this pushy car salesman-y type of company. We believe in a collaborative solar sales approach and that there's a lot of money to be made in the solar industry, but we believe in solar done right. And again, our goal is that every person working here at Solar Brokers of NE will have a high quality of life. Vacations, cars, taking care of your family, whatever that means to you. But that also means you have to be a good fit for us. You'll need to be a great communicator and follow up with your customers. This is a commission-based position, but as I said, if you're not making 100 to 250K, you're probably not going to be a good fit here anyways. You're going to need to go through our training and solar sales certificate program, but don't worry, for you pros, this will be easy for you guys. And you're going to need to follow our company SOPs, our standard operating procedures, and be available when customers need you, whether that's weekdays, nights, or weekends. If this sounds like a good fit for you, then click on the link below and follow the instructions. I look forward to seeing you.